Do you know an average marketer spends $500 bare minimum every month to run their online business? No matter what you do online to make money. Freelancers and agencies, coaches, make money online seekers, email marketers, video marketers, CEOs, local biz owners, product launchers, affiliate marketers, SaaS professionals, hospitality industry, e-com marketers, B2B marketers, real estate agents, and possibly every other niche on earth. They all must use multiple software to launch, grow, and automate their online business like landing page builder, images and graphics, email autoresponder, opt-in forms, pop-ups, etc. In fact, they face these challenges. Pay hefty recurring fee through your nose to those multiple apps, or outsource it to freelancers for each of these tasks and still pay big. All it goes without saying that you need to invest time and resources. Plus, when you work with different tools, you are working in silos without any flexibility to share data. Reports between apps, leading to poor campaign performance and tracking. And worst, still be unsure if these will work and get you the results that you were aiming for. You need to raise your game in 2022 to be counted in the big leagues. The good news is, you don't have to struggle anymore. Hey, we even tested this masterpiece and made over $124,000 during 7 days of a campaign's launch window. This revolutionary technology has worked wonders for us, and so it will work for you too. Introducing Kyza, the all-in-one business growth app suite that creates lightning-fast, high-converting pages, websites, pop-ups, opt-in forms, unlocks graphics, branding kit, and sends unlimited emails, all under one dashboard with zero monthly fee. The best part is, even a newbie with zero tech skills can create landing pages, opt-in forms, and much more in no time. In just 3 easy steps, you can start, run, and scale a business in any niche. Step 1. Select any proven to convert landing page. Opt-in form template as per your needs and niche. Step 2. Edit and customize, matching your marketing objectives. Step 3. That's it. Now, start publishing your pages or send emails to your list in their primary mailbox and start profiting like never before. Kyza is even loaded with awesome features like fully customizable drag and drop page builder that creates stunning landing pages for any biz. Mobile-ready technology creates responsive pages, websites, designs, opt-in forms, emails that work on any device ultra-fast. A vast collection of brand-building graphics templates with inbuilt Pixabay integration, multiple types of smart lead garnering opt-in forms, suiting every marketing goal to capture leads, advanced AI-enabled pop-ups and opt-in forms, technology that boosts leads by showing offers as per visitors' interest, a drag-and-drop email marketing solution that creates and sends unlimited marketing emails right inside your customer's inbox, and much more. Kyza also lets you create sales funnel landing pages, product launch funnel pages, lead magnet funnel pages, webinar registration funnel pages, bonus pages, course funnel landing pages, logos, web banners, blog post banners, social media post images, lightbox opt-in forms, pop-up opt-in forms, splash opt-in forms, footer bar opt-in forms, header bar opt-in forms, drip email sequence, welcome email series, e-commerce email newsletters, discount offer promotion newsletters, sales-driven emails, customer support emails, product launch email sequence, and so much more. So, whatever your goal, we have a proven solution for you. So, it streamlines everything for you 24/7, even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. It has got everything covered. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-art solution, and I'm sure that you will love it. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you. You can also make online money using commercial license. Yes, sell landing pages, opt-in forms, email marketing, or graphics creation services to hungry buyers and charge them anything to pocket 100% of every sale. Wait, Here's the best part. Book Kyza now. And also access cool bonuses. Worth $3,000 free. Still not sure? Try Kyza risk-free with our 30 days money-back promise. You have nothing to lose with the special limited deal. Don't wait and let your rivals edge you out. Hit the wait and let your rivals edge you out. Hit the buy now button before the price rises.